begin with a few tablespoons of oil. You can totally reduce the oil as per your requirement. So I have taken here about 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to wait till it heats up, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of mustard seeds. I'm going to wait till it sputters. As you can see, the mustard seeds have started spluttering, so I'm going to act a bit quickly now. I'm going to reduce the flame a bit. I'm going to add the hing. I'm going to add the haldi. Make sure you're not burning it, so act a bit faster. I'm going to add the haldi. I'm going to add the green chillies. Just give it a quick stir. Fry the chillies a bit. Make sure your flame is not very high. I don't want this tadka to burn at all. You can reduce the green chilies if you don't like it very spicy. So everything here is according to your requirement, and you can reduce or increase as per your liking. So now I'm going to add the roasted chana dal. Give it a good mix. My flame is now medium high. Once you see a slight brown color on the chana dal, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding cashew nuts here because it's a festival. You don't need to add cashew nuts in this recipe otherwise. But because it's Diwali, I'm like, why not? Let me just roast the cashew nut along with the chana dal now. So you can see the chana dal is now getting a slightly brown color. Don't want to burn it. So now I'm going to add the kurmura. This is about 200 grams. Mix it carefully. Make sure your vessel is a little big. So now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt, a little more than a teaspoon. And I'm going to add the roasted peanuts. You can remove the skin if you want, but then I like the color of the peanut skin and the flavor as well. So add the peanuts. I'm just going to slow roast this until the kurmura becomes a little crispy. Mix this well so that the salt sticks to the whole chivda here. So slow roast this until the kurmura literally crushes between your fingers, or it's crispy and you hear the crunch. I think I can roast it for another minute or two. So I roasted this for about 2 minutes, and it's quite crunchy. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear, but I can hear it. So the chivda is done in less than 10 minutes. It's that easy. And I'm going to plate this. I'm going to see you on the other side.
And here is a quick snack for our Diwali. And make this, share it, like it, and a very, very happy Diwali to all of you.